Today we are going to take a look at the world's most powerful air forces and aircraft. Which countries have the greatest air power? Let's take a look together. 30th place, Ukraine. The Ukrainian Air Force constitutes the Air Force with 70 fighter jets and 10 attack helicopters. It operates with 50 helicopters and 50 transport aircraft. It supports the Air Force with 80 training aircraft and 50 drones. 29th place, Australia. The Royal Australian Air Force is a powerful air force with 126 combat aircraft and 30 attack helicopters. It operates with 95 helicopters and 45 transport aircraft. It increases its air power with 100 training aircraft and 15 drones. 28th place, Canada. The Royal Canadian Air Force constitutes air power with 88 combat aircraft and 30 attack helicopters. It maintains its operational capacity with 100 helicopters and 40 transport aircraft. It reinforces its air power with 120 training aircraft and 5 drones. 27th place, Colombian. The Colombian Air Force constitutes the Air Force with 20 fighter jets and 15 attack helicopters. It operates with 84 helicopters and 111 transport aircraft. It strengthens its capacity with 50 training aircraft and 10 drones. 26th place, Mexico. The Mexican Air Force constitutes the Air Force with 35 fighter jets and 7 attack helicopters. It operates with 50 helicopters and 30 transport aircraft. It increases its air power with 100 training aircraft and 8 drones. 25th place, Poland. The Polish Air Force is a powerful air force with 108 fighter jet and 48 attack helicopters. It maintains 215 helicopters and 20 transport aircraft. It supports its air power with 145 training aircraft and 24 drones. 24th place, Indonesia. The Indonesian Air Force constitutes the Air Force with 120 fighter jets and 12 attack helicopters. It operates with 68 helicopters and 40 transport aircraft. The number of training aircraft is 100, and it has 10 drones. 23rd place, Thailand. The Royal Thai Air Force constitutes the Air Force with 70 fighter jets and 10 attack helicopters. It operates with 60 helicopters and 30 transport aircraft. It has 90 training aircraft and 5 drones. 22nd place, Spain. The Spanish Air Force is composed of 140 fighter jets and 20 attack helicopters. It operates with 90 helicopters and 37 transport aircraft. The Air Force is supported by 170 training aircraft and 10 unmanned aerial vehicles. 21st place, Iran. The Iranian Air Force constitutes air power with 160 fighter jets and 50 attack helicopters. It maintains its operational capacity with 50 helicopters and 86 transport aircraft. It has 80 training aircraft and 100 unmanned aerial vehicles. 20th place, United Arab Emirates. The United Arab Emirates Air Force is composed of 147 fighter jets and 30 attack helicopters. It serves with 120 helicopters and 40 transport aircraft. It is expanding its air power with 105 training aircraft and 10 drones. 19th place, Algeria. The Algerian Air Force constitutes the Air Force with 100 combat aircraft and 40 attack helicopters. It maintains its operational capacity with 305 helicopters and 48 transport aircraft. It reinforces its air power with 70 training aircraft and 5 unmanned aerial vehicles. 18th place, Greek. The Greek Air Force is an effective air force with 230 fighter jets and 29 attack helicopters. It operates with 130 helicopters and 15 transport aircraft. It also increases its capacity with 110 training aircraft and 10 unmanned aerial vehicles. 17th place, Germany. The German Air Force is a powerful air force with 207 fighter jets and 53 attack helicopters. It operates with 250 helicopters and 60 transport aircraft. It has 175 training aircraft and 15 drones. 16th place, Brazil. The Brazilian Air Force constitutes the Air Force with 79 fighter jets and 12 attack helicopters. It maintains its operational capacity with 111 helicopters and 111 transport aircraft. It also increases its air power with 280 training aircraft and 15 drones. 15th place, United Kingdom. The UK's Royal Air Force is an air force of 227 fighter jets and 50 attack helicopters. It maintains its operational capacity with 350 helicopters and 71 transport aircraft. It has 318 training aircraft and 10 drones. 14th place, Taiwan. The Taiwan Air Force is a powerful air force with 288 fighter jets and 91 attack helicopters. It operates with 220 helicopters and 24 transport aircraft. It supports the Air Force with 102 training aircraft and 20 drones. 13th place, Italy. The Italian Air Force constitutes air power with 218 fighter jets and 64 attack helicopters. It maintains its operational capacity with 398 helicopters and 62 transport aircraft. 256 training aircraft and 25 drones contribute to modern military strategies. 12th place, Saudi Arabia. The Royal Saudi Arabian Air Force is building a powerful air force with 354 fighter jets and 30 attack helicopters. It increases its operational capacity with 258 helicopters and 90 transport aircraft. It also reinforces its air power with 150 training aircraft and 15 drones. 11th place, North Korea. The North Korean Air Force constitutes the air force with 500 fighter jets and 20 attack helicopters. It operates with 300 helicopters and 90 transport aircraft. It has 130 training aircraft and 10 drones. France in 10th place. The French Air and Space Force is an effective air force with 211 fighter jets and 60 attack helicopters. It maintains its operational capacity with 429 helicopters and 118 transport aircraft. It increases its power with 308 training aircraft and 50 drones. 9th place, Egypt. The Egyptian Air Force is an effective air force with 337 fighter jets and 83 attack helicopters. It continues its operations with 338 helicopters and 59 transport aircraft. It is also expanding its air power with 346 training aircraft and 35 unmanned aerial vehicles. 8th place, Pakistan. Pakistan Air Force is building its air power with 413 fighter jets and 25 attack helicopters. It increases its operational capacity with 150 helicopters and 53 transport aircraft. It has 549 training aircraft and 30 drones. 7th place, Turkey. The Turkish Air Force is a powerful air force with 269 fighter jets and 67 attack helicopters. It continues its operations with 477 helicopters and 83 transport aircraft. It is also expanding its air power with 275 training aircraft and 370 drones. 6th place, Japan. The Japan Air Self-Defense Force has an effective air force capacity with 370 fighter jets and 62 attack helicopters. It operates with 577 helicopters and 75 transport aircraft. The number of training aircraft is 420, and it has 20 drones. 5th place, South Korea. The South Korean Air Force is building a powerful air force with 414 fighter jets and 30 attack helicopters. While increasing its operational capacity with 758 helicopters and 52 transport aircraft, it is expanding its power with 288 training aircraft and 90 drones. 4th place, India. The Indian Air Force constitutes air power with 667 fighter jets and 18 attack helicopters. It carries out air operations with 869 helicopters and 264 transport aircraft. It also increases its capacity with 351 training aircraft and 100 drones. 3rd place, China. China's People's Liberation Army Air Force has increased its air power with 1,600 fighter jets and 291 attack helicopters. Its 913 helicopters, 289 transport aircraft, and 402 training aircraft bolster its operational capacity. 1,200 drones are instrumental in modern military strategies. 2nd place, Russian. The Russian Air Force has a strong air power with 1,512 combat aircraft and 533 attack helicopters. With 1,547 helicopters and 453 transport aircraft, Russia has a wide operational capacity and is increasing its power with 552 training aircraft and 550 drones. First place, United States. The U.S. Air Force is one of the largest and most powerful air forces in the world, with a fleet of 1,957 fighter jets, 947 attack helicopters, and 2,648 helicopters. It also maintains air operations with 957 transport aircraft and 2,648 training aircraft. With 1,000 drones, it can also carry out operations based on modern technology. If you want to see more of this kind of content, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.